Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the 4 seasons, seizoenen, of the year. Lente, Zomer, herfst and winter. Let's start with spring, which is Lente in Dutch. Lente. The emphasis is on the first part of the word. Lente. LEN-TE. Lente. Lente. The second season is summer, or Zomer in Dutch. Zomer. The emphasis here is also on the first part. Zomer. ZO-MER. Zomer. Zomer. The third season is fall or autumn, depending on where you are. We call it herfst. Herfst. I know this is a tricky one with the R, F, S and T in quick succession. Herfst. Herfst. There isn't really an emphasis here, just herfst. And the last season is winter, which we write and almost pronounce the same. Winter. Winter. The emphasis is also on the first part of the word. Winter. 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 And those are the 4 seasons in Dutch. Lente, Zomer, herfst and winter. I hope this video was helpful. Please help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!